This is the airplane ride. Will you respond with, "All right," or "Oh no"? A man went up in an airplane, but the plane didn't have an engine. But the man had a parachute, but the parachute wouldn't open. But there was a haystack under him. But there was a pitchfork in the haystack. But he missed the pitchfork. But he missed the haystack too.